Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that blends technology and industry, computer vision in manufacturing. If you're curious about how machines can see and make decisions, you're in the right place. So, let's get started. But first, let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered how factories ensure that every product meets quality standards? How do they detect defects or monitor processes without human intervention? Well, that's where computer vision comes into play. Computer vision is a field of artificial intelligence that enables machines to interpret and make decisions based on visual data. It simulates human vision, allowing systems to recognize and analyze images. In manufacturing, this technology is revolutionizing processes by increasing efficiency, improving quality, and reducing costs. Let's take a closer look at some of the amazing applications of computer vision in manufacturing. One of the most prominent uses is quality control. Traditionally, workers would manually inspect products for defects, which is time-consuming and prone to error. However, with computer vision, cameras equipped with advanced algorithms can quickly scan products and identify any flaws. For example, a study conducted by the International Journal of Advanced Manufacturing Technology showed that implementing computer vision systems for quality inspection reduced defect rates by up to 90%. These systems can identify scratches, dents, and even color inconsistencies much faster and more accurately than the human eye. But quality control isn't the only area where computer vision shines. Another exciting application is in inventory management. Imagine a warehouse where products are constantly moving in and out. Keeping track of inventory can be a daunting task. Here's where computer vision comes to the rescue. By using cameras and image recognition, manufacturers can automate the process of inventory tracking. These systems can scan barcodes, identify items, and even monitor stock levels in real time. According to a report by McKinsey, integrating computer vision into warehouse management can improve efficiency by 20% and reduce stock discrepancies by nearly 30%. That's a game changer. Moreover, computer vision is also instrumental in predictive maintenance. In manufacturing, equipment failure can be costly and disruptive. With computer vision, machines can constantly monitor their own condition. For instance, cameras can observe vibration patterns, heat levels, and wear and tear on machinery. If something looks off, the system can alert maintenance teams before an actual breakdown occurs. According to a report by Deloitte, predictive maintenance can reduce maintenance costs by up to 25% and increase equipment uptime by 10 to 20%. Imagine how much that could save a manufacturing company in the long run. Now, let's talk about the versatility of computer vision. It's being used across various industries, from automotive to electronics to food processing. In automotive manufacturing, for instance, computer vision is employed to ensure precise assembly of complex parts. In the electronics sector, it helps with inspecting circuit boards for defects. And in food processing, it checks for proper packaging and expiration dates. Computer vision technology is constantly evolving. With advancements in deep learning and neural networks, these systems are becoming smarter and more capable. For example, machine learning algorithms can be trained on vast datasets, allowing them to improve their accuracy over time, adapting to new products and processes seamlessly. In summary, computer vision is transforming the manufacturing landscape. From improving quality control to streamlining inventory management and enabling predictive maintenance, this technology is enhancing efficiency and reducing costs across the board. As we move into the future, we can expect even more innovative applications of computer vision in manufacturing. So, what do you think about the role of computer vision in manufacturing? Are you excited to see how it will continue to evolve? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fascinating insights into technology and industry. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.